Well, in general, I mean, and that you were able to measure the manganese content, at least. But in general, you shouldn't say what you didn't do. I mean, who cares? It was difficult, blah, blah, blah. Nobody cares. You say, we had this result with this uncertainty level. But it's not relevant saying the thing that you didn't do. I mean, you won the cup or not. And regarding the pressure, actually remember, I suggest you to use the same blower that you have in the column, sucking the air.
Yes, that's what we actually did. It's in the picture, but it didn't do.
It wasn't enough either. I mean, the pressure drop is too high. What is the pressure drop? I mean, if you measure, I mean, analytically, the pressure drop the column per meter of.
We ergon. It was like such a 10 times bigger.
It's a lot of pressure drop.
Yes, 10 times greater than what we measured.
Do you have any data from Air Liquide? I mean, the flow rate, pressure drop, and all this stuff? You're working at what gas velocity, for example?
La velocidad de gas debe ser aproximadamente 10
But
metros por segundo.
did we ask to Air Liquide, or do we have this data?
In the paper provided, no, the
Supplier.
No, the thesis provided by.
But you can ask him. You can ask Diego Poblete, or did you ask them?
It was in his work, so.
No, but you can ask him anyway. You need to fix this number, and in order to fix the problem, Matthias, what is the capacity of the compressor that we have in terms of cubic meter per hour? The capacity of the compressor.
I don't know.
You worked with that in the last semester.
No.
With Juan Llanatos, you work with the compressor.
Sebastian.
You're right. Okay.
Project.
So I'm thinking to use the air. How many liters per minute do you need? Standard.
La planta oxidador trabaja.
No. Your column. 100 liters per minute, 20 liters per minute.
We have the data in surface velocity. It was.
No, liters per minute in the column. How many liters per minute do you need? I'm thinking to use the compressor, compress air. Just to see the pressure drop, it will be short test.
Yes, we can do.
And then you have all the pressure that you need, even more. Carefully, of course. But you can work with that. I mean, you have plenty of pressure. But the point is to solve the problem. And I don't think it's that high the pressure. I would like to ask perhaps Francisco itself. I want to right away. And but in any case, I mean, you measure the content of the manganese, and you say it was 2%. I'm not sure.
Yeah, almost 3%.
3%. So it means it will already react, or still you have. I didn't get it.
I didn't understand.
I mean, the absorption is already finished, or still you have more time to work with the absorbent. Comparing the new with the old one. You compare the new with the old one.
No, we just.
No pudimos comparar la capacidad de SO2, ya que.
No, I'm talking about the manganese. The manganese content.
3% is for the new.
How much? Sorry.
3%.
3%.
288 is for the new.
The new.
And the old?
The old we could not.
Okay.
So
Okay.
anyway, it's
less than specification. But we can have a lot of error on that. We're not certain.
Yes.
I mean, we can measure, but we need more work on that. Okay.